Alright guys, so today I'm doing a Instant Pot recipe. So what I have here is chicken breasts. They were on sale. I'm going to put them in the Instant Pot. Okay, I got some broccoli, carrots, and an onion over there. And here you'll see a can of stewed tomatoes. But this one's a little different. Take a look. This is the Italian seasoning one. So that's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause it. So I'm going to try this one out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it into sort of like a stew. I'm going to add some rice to the Instant Pot as well. And season it with some more herbs. And then we'll see how it goes from there. And see how it tastes. So I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to prep everything right now. Alright, as you can see, I put the chicken in there already. There's rice and water. I'm seasoning it. What I have here in my spice mix, right in this mortar and pestle. Take that look. That here is oregano, some fennel, some white peppers in there. So that's going to help get that blend going. So I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to chop up the onion and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so there it is, all ready to go. The green parts are the broccoli stems. So I don't actually use the broccoli, I use the stems to fill up this pot here. Alright, so it's ready. The tomatoes are in. I'm going to hit the poultry bun on the Instant Pot, and I'll be back, and I'll do a quick taste test when it's done. Alright guys, be right back. Alright guys, if you guys want to see, I hit the poultry button right there. Right there, you guys can see right there. There is a whole bunch of other buttons you could use. You could have used like the meat stew. But I like the poultry button, so I'll be back. Alright guys, check this out. It is all done. You can see the seasoning. I can smell the herbs coming out. You can see the chicken below there, the tomatoes. Let's do a quick taste test of this. See what the broth tastes like right there. There's the broth. That is some good broth. It's got a nice aroma. You get the vegetables going in. The herbs come in really good. And the can of tomatoes, remember, I get the Italian seasoning. So it tastes really good. Let's see how tender the chicken breast went. The chicken breast was actually frozen when I put it in. So I thawed it out just a little bit. So there's a little bit right there. It's soft. It's good. Definitely check it out, guys. This is probably one of my better ones that I've done. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.